You player collectors for the Braves. Might be a nice card. Chris Young. Another Topps 100. Another Bowman Best. Who's this? Shelby Miller. Nice. Chase Utley Gold. He's got a good shot at the World Series this year with that pitching staff they have. Brandon Laird, Yankees, tops of the class. Oh, sorry for that glare. Another Bowman Best. Matt Dominguez, Adam Jones. Alright, time to speed this up. Corey Jones, Tigers. Justin Upton. Brian McCain base. Ike Davis. Finest Futures. He's starting out pretty good this year. Ian Kennedy. Alright. Speed it up. Alex White, Topps 100. Robinson Cano, no Bryce Harper. Now I'm going to be disappointed after that last box. 3 Bryce Harpers in a box. Brian Fletcher. Paul Goldschmidt. Alright. Haven't gotten our hit yet. It's Ryan Howard, Matt Latos, Zach Lee, Dodgers fans, the Topps 100. Remember, check us out, www.sandlotcards. All these cards will be listed online for sale. First come, first serve. Haven't seen the auto yet. Looks like we got about 8 packs left. Should be coming up. Freddie Freeman, promising rookie for the Braves. It's base card. These black borders chip real easy, so we put all these right into plastic sleeves to store them. Here's our auto, Rick Hogg. Hey, this is, I don't even know who this guy is, Washington Nationals. That's the auto, certified autograph. How about a Bryce Harper? Ichiro. Baldo Jimenez. Dominic Brown. 6 packs left. See if there's anything else exciting left in this box. Martin Prado, Tim Lincecum. Another Paul Goldschmidt, Bowman's Brightest. Albert Pujols Gold, that's a good one. Not bad. Artelis Chapman, Finest Futures, nice. I kind of like this Bowman set this year, so check it out. It's worth a try. Lots of cool cards, lots of inserts, serial numbered cards. Chipper Jones, Jason Hayward, Finest Futures. All these cards. Steven Strasburg Gold, not bad. Alright, not a bad box. Pujols Gold, the Strasburg Gold. No Bryce Harpers in this one, although I got 3 last box, so that was pretty cool. Gordon Beckham, having trouble hitting this year. Right, 2 packs left. See if we finish strong. Bryce Harper, nice. Bowman prospect, Bryce Harper. That means there'll be 2 of these online. And last pack here. Finish this one up quick. Thanks again for watching. Check us out online. Oh wait, here we go. We got a patch. George Springer. Number to 25. Not a bad box too. Got a auto and a patch. Nice. Nick Franklin. Oh, sweet. Alan Webster for you Dodgers fans. Number to 250. Looks like a blue chrome refractor. Boy, this box finished strong. Thanks again for watching. www.sandlotcards. All these cards will be listed online, so check us out.